So on one hand, we got a lot of land, a lot of water. On the other hand, we got really pretty water.
I'm gonna pick number 2. What are you picking?
Number 2. Yeah!
I need to stop helping him. Up next, we have headphones.
I remember this video, actually. I think these headphones were in the like $300,000 range. I don't remember this video.
This looks like some dude just spray painted some headphones in his garage.
No, they were Monster Cat, which is usually like a cheaper brand.
I'm going with left one.
Left.
Yeah.
Yeah!
We're not even pausing it. We're jumping straight into burger. Take your freaking money. We got an exquisite mushroom burger, and then we have a bald guy, which I'm biased because now that
He is bald.
I was bald 2 weeks ago. So I'm officially rooting for number 1. I'm team bald.
Ooh, I don't know. That cheese making me root.
Oh my God. But bro, there's no gold or caviar.
Yeah.
It's definitely number 1. Pick.
Scared! Right.
Oh!
I didn't even think. You scared me and I said right and I meant to say
Why
left.
did you think a burger?
I meant to say left. I meant to
buy
say
that at
left.
McDonald's.
I meant to say left. I meant to say left.
How about you turn, walk to your left out of the set, because the video is over. Subscribe if you haven't already.
Wait a minute. We forgot about Martin.
Oh yeah. Congratulations, Chris won you another, I don't know, whatever that is. What do you want to tell the viewers? Good enough for me.